Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. This lesson is for class 6 subject English. Students, today our topic is lesson number 1 from Iqra Applied Grammar book 1. Today we will discuss from page 6 to page 9. Note it that this lesson is only for the students of Wasak branch, while the other branches will watch the videos of Iqra English Grammar book 3. Students, first I will introduce the book. As we know that Iqra is the name of our institute, while applied means use grammar. It is grammar. Grammar is basically the arrangement of correct words in our writing and speaking. इस बुक की मदद से हम अपनी ग्रामर को इन्हेंस करेंगे और अपनी इंग्लिश स्पोकन में और राइटिंग में मज़ीद बेहतर बनाएंगे. So let's start our first unit. Unit number 1. Open your books on page 6. Our topic is non-action sentences. Non-action sentences. The use of is, am, are. The use of is, am, are. What is non-action sentences? Student, नाम ही से जाहिर है. Those sentences that do not shows any action are called non-action sentences because they shows just state of being. They describe just state of being. ऐसे sentences जो कि action को show नहीं करते, just हालतों को बयान करते हैं, हालत को बयान करते हैं, they are called non-action sentences. Students, in your prep class you have studied about action sentences. I will remind it. So you will be able to differentiate कि आप फ़र्क कर पाएँ action sentences और non-action sentences में. So action sentences basically shows the action. Action sentences क्या होते हैं? Action sentences action को show करते हैं, while non-action sentences action नहीं show करते, ये हालतों को बयान करते हैं. So students, here is an example given for you in action sentence. Sana is reading a book. काम हो रहा है, यहाँ पे एक्शन हो रहा है. कौन सा एक्शन? रीडिंग का एक्शन. सना इज रीडिंग अ बुक. वाइल इन नॉन एक्शन सेंटेंसेस, सना इज ब्यूटिफुल. वी नो कोई काम नहीं हो रहा. सना इज ब्यूटिफुल. इट डिस्क्राइब द स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग. सना इज ब्यूटिफुल. सो you will be able to differentiate between action sentence and non-action sentence. So student, is, are, am. Our topic is about the use of is, are, am, the use of is, am, are in our non-action sentences. Students, keep in your mind clearly, अपने mind में वाज़िहा कीजिए that is, am, are. Is, am, are used in action sentences as an auxiliary verb. is, are, am हमारे पास एक्शन सेंटेंस में एज ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब यूज़ होते हैं, while नॉन एक्शन सेंटेंसेस में ये हमारे पास लिंकिंग वर्ब का फंक्शन करते हैं. स्टूडेंट्स, there are various functions of is, are, am. There are various functions of is, are, am. In action sentence, is, are, am uses as an auxiliary verb, while in non-action sentences, is, are, am use as a linking verb. And what is auxiliary verb? Students, auxiliary verb क्या होते हैं और linking verb क्या होते हैं? Auxiliary verb हमारे पास action sentences में use होते हैं और ये हमेशा main verb के साथ use होते हैं. Auxiliary verb always uses with the main verb in our action sentences, while linking verb basically connects the subject with noun or adjective that describe the subject. Linking verb हमारे पास subject और adjective या noun जो भी sentence में use होता है उनको connect करता है जो कि subject को describe करे. Sana is beautiful. is हमारे पास non-action sentence में as a linking verb काम कर रहा है जो कि subject और adjective को आपस में क्या कर रहा है? connect कर रहा है. अगर यहाँ पे कोई और नाउन होता ये उसको भी कनेक्ट कर देता. सो वी विल बी एबल that in action sentence, is RM used as an auxiliary verb, while in non-action sentence, is RM used as a linking verb. Students, let's start to read a poem. This is a segment for you. Sing aloud together. You are Muslim, rock-a-bye baby. Your cradle is green. You are Muslim, and Islam is your deen. Allah is the Lord, His word is Quran. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is Prophet, last messenger to man. Students, the words that are written with bold words with a green color, they are all the linking verb. All words that are written with green color, all are linking verb. तमाम वर्ड्स जो कि ग्रीन कलर के साथ लिखे गए हैं, वी नो वेरी वेल दैट दे वर्क एज अ लिंकिंग वर्ब इन आवर सेंटेंसेस. आर यहाँ पे लिंकिंग वर्ब का काम कर रहा है. आर, is. Students, so now you will be able about the use of is, am, are in our non-action sentences. Learn grammar. Students, in this lesson you will study about the structure of non-action sentences and about the uses of auxiliary with a specific subject. Students, जिस तरह एक्शन सेंटेंसेस में ऑक्सिलरी एम आई के साथ यूज़ होता था, इज़ ही शी इट के साथ और आर यू वी दे के साथ, ठीक इसी तरह नॉन एक्शन सेंटेंसेस में भी एम यूज विद आई, इज़ यूज्ड विद ही शी इट as well as singular noun, and are is used with you, we, they and plural noun. As you can see, I agrees with am, he, she, it plus addition. Student, keep in mind he, she, it and also singular noun agree with is, you, we, they and plural noun agree with are. For positive sentence means simple sentences, the structure will be subject plus linking verb plus noun or adjective that describe a subject according to the situation of a sentence. So, am is used with I in a positive sentence, then noun, I am a student. This is an example given for you, I am a student. If there is a negative statement, अगर आपके पास नफ़ी का जुमला हो, नहीं का जुमला हो, then you will add just not after the linking verb. आपने just not की एडिशन करनी है linking verb के साथ, am के साथ. आपने सिर्फ और सिर्फ not की एडिशन किसके साथ करनी है, am के साथ, negative statement में. Like if in positive sentence I am a student, while in negative sentence I am not a student. Is used with he, she, it and singular noun. In positive sentence, I give you an example. She is 11 years old. In negative statement, she is not 11 years old. Are is used with you, we, they and plural noun. Plural noun. I give you an example. In positive statement, you are good friends. While in negative sentence, you are not good friends. Practice. Come to our practice portion. Circle the correct option. Students, you will choose the correct option as you know very well about that which linking verb with use with a which subject. He is sad today. Is used because we know that in grammatical structure is used with subject he. Are is used with subject they, that's why we will choose are. They are taking rest. I am, we know that am is used with I am in the hospital. You are the monitor of the class. They are hardworking. It is, we know that for it we will use linking verb is. It is a small house. Exercise B, complete the sentences with is are. Student, this is just a little different from exercise A. First, we should know about this, that, these, those. Students, in prep class, you have studied about the uses of this, that, these, those. I will remind it. This and that is used for singular things. This and that is used for singular things. This and that, जब आप सिंगल चीज़ों को पॉइंट आउट करते हैं तब आप this और that का यूज़ करते हैं. जब आप प्लूरल चीज़ों को पॉइंट करते हैं तब आप these और those का यूज़ करते हैं. this and that में डिफरेंस क्या होगा? this जब आप सिंगल चीज़ जो कि आपके साथ करीब हो तब उसके लिए आप this का यूज़ करेंगे. while the thing which is singular and far from you, ऐसी चीज़ जो कि सिंगल हो और आपसे दूर हो उसके लिए आप that का यूज़ करेंगे. Similarly, these जो चीज़ प्लूरल फॉर्म में हो और आपके करीब हो देन उसके लिए आप these का यूज़ करेंगे. while जो चीज़ें प्लूरल फॉर्म में हो और आपसे दूर हो उसके लिए आप those का यूज़ करेंगे. You have studied in your prep class. You know very well. I have just reminded in your mind. So let's start our exercise. Now you will be able. चूँकि this singular चीज़ के लिए यूज़ होता है that's why we will use is. This and that के लिए हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे? is. Linking verb is in our non-action sentence क्योंकि यहाँ पे कोई एक्शन नहीं हो रहा. While these और those के लिए हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे? are. For this and that we will use is. And for these and those we will use are. So let's start. This is an English book. These are my parents. Those are big stars. This is her doll. This is a bird. That is a bird. Student, this is what? That. The fifth one. This is her doll while that is a bird and that is a moon. We will study in sequence wise. Sequence wise अब हम पढ़ते हैं. This is an English book. The second one. Those are big stars. The third one. That is a bird. Fourth one. These are my parents. Fifth one. This is her doll. Sixth one. That is a moon. Extended practice. Complete the paragraph by putting is, am, are. As you can see in the pic, a family. पिक्चर में आप एक फैमिली को देख सकते हैं. एंड यू नो वेरी वेल अबाउट द यूज़ ऑफ इज़ एम आर कि कौन से सब्जेक्ट के साथ इन नॉन एक्शन सेंटेंस आपने इज़ एम आर यूज़ करना है. एज यू नो एम इज़ यूज्ड विद I am Lubna. I am 8 years old. My mother is a teacher and my father is a doctor because this is singular noun. We are a family of 5. My brother's name is Ali. He is very naughty. My sister's name is Jamila. She is fond of playing football. We are a happy family. Safia and Kaisar are. Safia and Kaisar becomes plural noun. That's why we will use are. Safia and Kaisar are our neighbors. They are very helpful. Exercise B. Look at the picture. First you should look the picture and write 8 sentences using this, that, these, those. You know very well about the uses of this, that. So students, this, that, this हम उन चीज़ों के लिए यूज़ करते हैं जो कि सिंगल हो और हमसे करीब हो. while that हम उन चीज़ों के लिए यूज़ करते हैं, हम वो वर्ड इस्तेमाल करते हैं जो कि हमसे दूर हो और सिंगल फॉर्म में हो. these the word that is used for plural things that is nearer for us. Student, ऐसी चीज़ें जो कि प्लूरल फॉर्म में हो और हमसे करीब हो तब हम उनके लिए these का वर्ड यूज़ करेंगे डेमोस्ट्रेशन के तौर पे, इशारे के तौर पे. while those, स्टूडेंट्स, those ऐसी चीज़ें जिनको हम पॉइंट आउट करते हैं और वो चीज़ें प्लूरल फॉर्म में हो और हमसे दूर हो तब हम कौन सा वर्ड यूज़ करेंगे उनको पॉइंट करने के लिए? those. Look at the picture and write 8 sentences using this, that, these, those. Students, you will also make your own sentences in your rough copy. आप rough copy पे इन sentences के अलावा अपने आप से भी sentences लिख सकते हैं. But in grammar book you will write these sentences. So let's start. This is a monkey. That is an elephant. Those are birds. Those are birds as you can see in the pic. These are 2 giraffes. That is a zebra. That is a zebra. This is a hippopotamus. Those are pandas. Those are pandas. And the last one, that is a bear. Students, our next portion is word bank. Word bank. So let's start to read it. वर्ड बैंक की मदद से हम डिफरेंट वर्ड्स सीखेंगे. बिग, स्मॉल, ओल्ड, हैप्पी, नॉटी, गुड, नाइस, हेल्पफुल, काइंड, केयरिंग, गवर्नमेंट, ऑफिसर, टीचर, डॉक्टर, लॉयर, इंजीनियर, शॉपकीपर, businessman, housewife, working lady. हमने बहुत सारे वर्ड सीखे. So now come to our oral activity. Learn to speak. Tell a partner about yourself. अपने दोस्त को अपने बारे में बताइए. स्टूडेंट, आपने अपनी एज उनको बतानी है, अपने बारे में अपने फ्रेंड को बताना है. अस्सलामु अलैकुम. वालेकुम अस्सलाम व रहमतुल्लाह. I am Ali. I am Hafiz Quran. I am 11 years old. I am in 6th class. I am in class 6. My family is big. My father is a teacher. My mother is a housewife. They are very kind. Exercise B. Tell the class about your partner. Student, this is a different activity. Tell the class about your partner. अपनी क्लास को अपने फ्रेंड के बारे में बताइए. अस्सलामु अलैकुम. वालेकुम अस्सलाम व रहमतुल्लाह. अब आपने उसके बारे में बताना है. He is Ali. He is Hafiz Quran. He is 11 years old. He is in class 6. His family is big. His father is a teacher. His mother is a housewife. They are very kind. So इन सेंटेंसेस में हमने इज, आर पढ़ा. स्टूडेंट, एंड इज आर वर्क एज अ लिंकिंग वर्ब. आस्क एंड रिप्लाई. दिस इज आल्सो ओरल एक्टिविटी कि आपने शॉर्ट आंसर कैसे देना है. सो दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर फॉर यू. स्ट्रक्चर इज गिवन फॉर यू. इज, as we know that is used for subject he, she, it. Is he 11 years old? Yes, he is. आप शॉर्ट आंसर में भी क्या कर सकते हैं, शॉर्ट आंसर भी दे सकते हैं. he, yes he is. और अगर आपका जवाब ना हो then you will give your answer no he isn't. No he isn't. Are, we know that are is used for you, we, they. Are you 11 years old? Yes, they are. No, they are not. Assalamu alaikum. Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Are we friends? Students, इनके आपने oral answer देने हैं. oral activity है तो आपने thoroughly अपने friend को बताना है, अपने बारे में बताना है. Are we friends? Is your father a doctor? Am I a student? Is your mother a housewife? Are you in class 6? This is also next activity. Learn to write. Write about your family. अपने family के बारे में बताइए with the help of extended practice, which is exercise A. Extended practice. Student, it is mentioned, I have described extended practice exercise A की help से. इसके अलावा आप word bank से भी मदद ले सकते हैं. हमने कितने words सीखे हैं word bank से, आप इनकी भी मदद ले सकते हैं. Student, और अपनी रफ कॉपी में, अपनी एक्टिविटी कॉपी में आप अपनी फैमिली के बारे में कुछ सेंटेंसेस लिख सकते हैं. This is your homework. Write this word in your Iqra Applied Grammar Book 1. Thank you.